In this video, I will be showing you how to export Napkin AI visuals as an SVG. Let's get started. I'll begin on the dashboard and click on the blank napkin option to open up a fresh workspace. To bring in my existing content, I'll head over to the top left and click on the library icon. I'm going to select the content optimization workflow from my list and wait just a moment for the visual to load on the page. Now that it's visible, I'll click directly on the flowchart element itself. This brings up the settings toolbar on the right side of the screen. I'm choosing SVG here because it's a vector format that stays sharp no matter how much you scale it. I can further customize the export by adjusting the color mode and the background visibility to suit my needs. Once I'm happy with the settings, I'll hit the download button. The file saves instantly, and as I open it up, you can see the high level of detail even when I zoom all the way in. This is perfect for high-quality documents and presentations. And there you have it. That's the complete process of exporting Napkin AI visual as SVG.